Here I have CUBOT Quest, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So firstly, you have to turn your device off by holding down power key. And after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up, at the same time like this for a couple of seconds. And after the screen turns on and CUBOT logo appears, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option Wipe Cache Partition. Then select Yes. And after you see the message Cache Wipe Complete, select the first option Reboot System Now, and device will be restarted, just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.